Okay, yeah, so what question is this?
Average.
Good. So yeah, so when you do average, what you do first?
I write the formula.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, good. Yeah, write down the formula here. Just AVG lah, short form. A equals to formula. I want formula first. Average is equal to N of good. Items, like spell it out. Very good. So what is the average of two numbers is 18. So the average is
2.
the average of 2 is 18. So the average is
18.
yeah. Then how come you say 2? So 18 is the A. So how many numbers? Number of item, how many? How many number in this question? How many numbers? Read the question.
The average of 2 numbers.
So total how many numbers?
2.
Okay. So the total is? How do you find question mark? Yeah. So give yourself that simple example. Okay, good. So write down first. Very good. So similarly, question mark is equal to mental. Can you use mental? So this is the what number? 36 is what?
Total.
Write down. Total. So total equals 36. So second, yeah. So it says?
One of the numbers is 14.
Yeah, so what is the other number? What's the operation? Total is 36. One of them is 14. Now what is the other one? What's the operation?
36 minus 14.
Mental. Okay, good. Very good. Okay. So bring a chair, see if the chair can fit properly. Like, bring a chair. I think one chair is good enough. Just try one chair first. Sit down. Is it comfortable? Good enough?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so, okay, that's it. Lift up. Next. Okay, what question is this?
Fraction.
Fraction. Okay, so when it comes to fraction, okay, there is this concept we always talk about, right? There is this concept we always talk about. Let's say you start with something, right?
Yeah.
If it says half of it is, this is a question. This is a fraction, but what type of question is this? Branch. So if you start with a ball,
Yeah.
okay, so half of the ball is used, how much is left? We always talk about this. Half of the ball is used, then what is left? What is left? You start with a ball, half of the ball is used, how much is left?
1/2.
1/2 is left, right? 1/2 of the ball is left, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next. You start with a sum of money, 1/3 of it is used, how much is left?
2/3.
Very good. Okay, so this is the branch method we always use. So similarly, we come back to 10. So it says you start with a
7. over 10 meter of string.
String. So how much is used?
1 over 5.
1 over 5 of what is used?
The string.
This right?
Yeah.
This is used, right?
Mm.
Used for what?
To tie a present.
So this is used for present or gift, right? So what is left? 1/5 used. What is left?
4 over 5.
4 over 5 of what
7 over 10.
is
You
left?
left.
So what you do is use your calculator. 1 over 5 times this. Off is what? Times, right?
7 over 50.
This one is
7 over 50.
used, right? Then below left.
Fourteen over 25.
Ah, good. Okay? Can?
Yeah.
So the answer is
14 over 25. Which is 3.
okay. So remember what type of question is this?
Branch.
Okay. So let's say I change this question now. Let's say now I change this question. Okay, let's say I change the question. Jenny had 2 meter of string. 1/5 of it to present, gave the rest to mother. So how do you do this question? I just change this value only, like show me the diagram and then show me your approach. You can use black. Here, yeah. What is this about? What is this about? The bracket is for what? No, I'm not asking for value. I'm asking for the what is this value will give you?
The string
String what?
used to tie a gift.
So what statement you write down? I used to tie text. No need so long, okay? Shorten it next time, okay? Then this is okay, good. Can? So what if I change this to over 3? So how do you do this question? Stop. Leave out. When I say stop, you must leave out. Huh? Thanks. Okay, can. Yeah, you can start writing already. Use. Done. Yeah, it's okay, good. Continue. 2/3 used. So what is left? Very good. Okay, very good. So that's how you do such question. Next. Good. Find the shaded area in the figure. How do you find shaded area? What's the strategy?
The 1 cm
No.
layer by not layer by.
Okay, so this question is about that question.
So layer by layer.
No. Layer by layer means this. This one is layer by layer. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. This is layer by layer. Okay? So this question is similar to what question? Did you bring the 1, 2, 3, that piece of thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically this question is this. This question is, you have a big piece, and this big piece is a, what shape is this?
Triangle.
So you have a big piece of triangle, right? Okay? And then suddenly you have something empty here. Okay? You have some empty, that means you have a hole. This is a hole. Okay? So now they ask, what is the area of the shaded? So what's the strategy? The strategy is, you use the, you know what I mean by strategy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what I mean by strategy?
Method.
Method, yeah. So what's the method? Yeah, tell me the method first. Nothing to do with the value. Tell me the method first. Quick, what's the method?
The cutting.
Huh? Just one sentence? So what's the method? Okay, what they want to find?
The shaded
The shaded one, right?
area.
So what's the shaded? What's your strategy? To find the shaded, what you need to do? Hey, come on. You use the whole thing minus the. Yeah, maybe sit Yep. Yeah. Okay, then after. So basically, what you need to do, you just take the whole thing minus the whole, then you will get the remaining shaded part, right? This is called what? The strategy. Repeat after me.
The shaded area minus the.
To find the shaded.
To find the shaded area, you need to minus the.
What minus the?
The shaded area.
What minus the? Is minus. So what minus what?
The shaded area minus the whole.
The shaded area minus the whole? The entire piece minus the
whole.
will give you.
The shaded
Okay.
area.
Repeat after. Repeat. Okay, 好。Okay. Repeat. Continue.
To find
Thank you.
the shaded area, you need to minus
What minus what?
the whole piece minus the whole.
Okay, good. 真的嘞，他做下来真的就。
不用紧，他做好你就给他做，他不好你就叫他站
这
立两题。
你刚刚让我知道了，我发现真的做下来真的慢了很多了。
好像我就在 dreaming 这样咯。
呀咯。
所以要妹妹，你想要不要讲脚酸，你
Yup.
就做好。
Yes.
不然你就要站起来做5题才可以。
Okay, so how do you find the complete piece?
做好啊！不要我做了。
So what shape is this?
A triangle.
So to find triangle, what do you need to do? Area of triangle formula.
A half.
You write down first. Yeah.
Sorry 我的笔都给我拿回我放在那边了放在你的书那边。
Write down. Okay, write down the formula for triangle. Okay, very good. What's the base? Which one is the base, right? Use your finger to point to me. Use your finger to point to me. What's the base? Now you point up, point, just touch. Okay, if this is the base, okay, then write the B over there. Okay, good. Then if this is the base, which one is the height? Can you still remember?
Need to be
Perpendicular
perpendicular
to?
the base.
Very good. So which one is perpendicular to the base? Use your finger first. Show me. Or you use your ruler. Where's your ruler? Do you have a ruler?
Yeah.
Use your ruler, yeah. One is enough. Or do you have two?
Yeah.
Okay, bring two, yes. Good. Okay, so how do you park a ruler? Like, show me how you park a ruler. Okay, park here first, yeah. Then another one. Very good. So, which one is the one? Which one is the one? How come you keep moving here? Yeah, which one is the height? Where you stop? Here or where? Which one is the height? What are you doing? Which one is the height?
Here.
How come you stop here? Okay, when you stop here, can you see? Okay, when you stop here, right? Okay, you remove your this hand. Remove. I asked you to remove your hand, never asked you to remove the ruler. Okay, so here, how come you keep moving? You see, I never move one. How come you keep moving? Okay, so here, you draw a line, right? You draw a line. But this line never cut anything. This line got cut the point or not? Where's your point? So this line must cut the point, right?
Yeah.
Then that means your this thing should stop where? Right? Yeah, I leave it to you. Stop where? Okay, good. I help you. Okay, remove your hand. Okay, good. So that means you need to draw the line from where to where? Where? This side or this side? This side or this side? Okay, good. Like, use your hand. Show me, like. Go, draw. Stop where? Stop. You stop where?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now you draw a line there. Then use that one. Yep. From where to where? This is your stopping point already. Don't move. This is your stopping point. Where's the starting point? From where to where? Huh? Just now where you park your thing? Here, right?
Yeah.
So you draw from where to where?
Here.
Where's your starting point? Where's your starting point? Cross your starting point. Cross. Put a cross there as your starting point. Very good. Where's your ending point? Cross. Yep. So the point must. So, if just now you try to draw here, right?
Yeah.
Can you see it never hit the? Is there a point here?
No.
So that means this is not the height. If you draw here, is there a point here?
No.
So this is also the height. Only when you draw from here to here is perpendicular. At the same time, it hits the point. So that is the height. So this is the height. Then you can start to count. What's your B? What's your B?
1,
Yeah. Count and speak.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Use your finger. What's the length?
1,
Yep. Point and speak.
3,
Mm.
4,
Where you stop?
5.
Okay. What's the length here? Like, count. Okay.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
Just now how we count?
1,
Okay.
2,
Okay.
3,
Ah.
4,
Ah.
5,
You stop here.
6,
Finger, go there. Am I right? Just now how we count? Don't move. Just now how we count?
One.
In between ah.
No, one.
The one must on top of the line, right?
Line.
Yeah, good. Go. Okay, hold on ah. Slowly ah. So. Okay, good. Don't move. Okay, go.
One.
Wait. Your one should be where? Here's your 0 point. You start from 0. You cannot remember? Stop. You can remember not? Your 1 is where? Where is your 2? Is it in between?
No.
Then?
It's above the line.
So your 1 unit should be? Should be what?
The line.
Above the what?
Line.
Okay, good. Come here. Okay, line. Yeah, use your finger, line. Okay, this is your starting, this is your ending. That finger come. Where's your 1?
1, 2,
Where's your 1?
1.
Where's your... Okay, 1. Good, very good.
Then this one.
Mm.
This 3.
Mm.
This 4.
Mm.
This 5.
Mm.
6.
Good. Because your finger until here, right?
Yeah.
So your B is?
6.
Write down. B equals to 6. Yeah. B equals to 6. Okay, finger come. Here. Come. You manage yourself. Like that finger. Point. Wait. Give yourself space. Like. Where's your 1? Okay, where you want to start? You want to start here or you want to start there?
Here.
Okay, so means starting point here, right? Come down, right? That means you want to come down or you want to go up?
Come down.
Come down, line, finger line. Where's your 1? Where's your 1? Here leh.
1.
Wait. Here, right? No, I never. Put it there. Give yourself some space. Okay, good. Come.
1.
Show me your 1.
1.
How come? Wait. How come your 1 is touching your finger? Like, show me where's your 1. You come down, right? Come down, right?
Yeah.
Come down, right? So where's your 1?
1.
1. Okay, good.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6.
End already or not end? Like, show me properly. Your this finger already moving so much. Where's your starting point? Don't move. Where's your ending point? Don't move. Don't move your finger. This finger can move. Go. Show me your 1
1.
point like here. Like, where's your 1? 1.
2. 3.
4.
4. 5. 6.
6 and then
That's all.
6, right?
Yeah.
Did you touch your finger?
No.
Then where's your ending? Then how come you never end by touching your finger? Is it touching or not?
No.
Then how come you say that's all already? Repeat here. Do it. Này, finger go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
The ending. Can you realize your 2 fingers touching each other, right?
Yeah.
Do it similarly.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Again. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. Wait. You count slowly. You need to rush. Counting you also cannot count. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Where's your 6? How come your finger 6? What your finger is pointing now? Is it in between? Are you pointing in between now?
Yeah.
Then how do you count? How do you count? You understand my point?
On top of the line.
Then how come you count until in between? Show me. Count again on top of the line until you get it. Okay, good.
1,
Where is your 1? Stop at your 1. This is in between. Finger go. Touch the line. The line. Isn't this in between? Okay. I allow you to use a pointer. Since your finger is too fat, right? This is your. Use this. Or use here. The tip. Where's your 1? How come it's in between? Wait, you know how to count or not? This is your starting point, right?
yeah.
Your 1 should be here, what? How come it's here? Here's 1.5 already. How come your finger move already? You can't even manage. It's such a easy thing. Your finger move like so much. You quickly finish it. You don't have to hold it there. Where's your 1?
1,
Okay, continue.
4,
Mm.
3,
Mm.
4,
Mm.
5,
Mm. Mm. Stop or continue?
stop.
Wait. You stop, then you better stop. Where's your ending?
0,
What did I say just now? You stop at where?
the ending point.
You stop at ending point, right? So do you need to continue?
Yes.
Then what's the count now?
7,
Continue again.
1,
Mm.
2,
Mm.
3,
Mm.
4,
Mm.
5,
Mm.
6,
Mm.
7.
Yeah. Where you stop?
At the ending point.
Okay. Where your this must meet your
Finger.
yes. Do the same for this. Practice one more time. Counting you also have problem now.
1,
Where's your 1?
0,
This is your 0. Starting is 0. Count and speak.
1,
Mm.
2,
Mm.
3,
Mm.
4,
Mm.
5,
Mm.
6.
Does it hit your ending?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So what is the height?
7.
Okay, good. Write down. Height equals to 7. Okay, good. Then you can put in the value already. Huh? H equals to H? Are you dreaming? Answer? Calculator. You need. No need to remind you next time. This is area. Okay, good. So, what's the strategy to find the shaded area just now? Show me. What's the strategy? What's the method like? Repeat.
To find the shaded area,
You need to.
you need to minus the whole.
What minus?
The whole piece.
The whole piece.
Minus the whole.
So,
get the
this is the what?
Dot
This 21 is for the.
shaded.
This 21 is already the shaded. What's the strategy? Repeat.
To find the shaded area.
Yeah.
The one piece.
Okay, you arrange your thoughts first before you speak. Ready? You arrange your thoughts already? What's the strategy?
To find the shaded area, you need a minus one piece. And
Minus one piece? Okay, what is the operation to find the shaded? Minus. So, minus, right?
one piece minus one piece.
One piece minus one piece.
One piece minus the whole.
Which whole? Okay, so which one is the one piece? Have you found the one piece already? Have you found the area of the one piece already?
Yes.
Which one? Then you should write down what? Write down. 21 is 4. Move. One piece. Done. Arrow. What's the meaning of one piece?
The whole thing.
The whole thing?
figure.
Whole thing? This whole thing?
No, the triangle.
Oh, okay, good.
Whole.
So now, how do you find the shaded? Speak.
No, you need to find the whole.
No, I asked you how to find the shaded.
One piece minus the whole.
So you already have the.
One piece.
So what you need to do next?
Find the whole.
So how do you find the hole? So what's the area of hole? What's the area of hole? Point your finger to the hole first. Yeah, how do you find the area of this? How to find? Huh? How to find? No idea. Have an idea or no idea? Hey, quick lah.
No idea.
No idea. Can you see this whole thing is this? Can you see or not?
Yeah.
So the hole is made up of?
Square.
Point your finger. How many square?
One.
How many square? Make up of how many square?
4.
Count.
1.
What did I teach you? How do you count?
1.
Up, down, then left, right. Where do you start? Where do you start?
4.
Where do you start? Okay, go.
1.
Then I asked you to count only leh. Quick.
1, 2,
Uh-huh.
3,
Uh-huh.
4.
How many square?
4.
Okay, so the hole is
4.
for what? So how do you find the shaded now?
21 minus the 4.
Which is
17.
So the answer is take the answer. Okay. So how do you find the length of the base?
Count
How to count?
above the line.
Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you put it in. The strategy to find is
One piece minus the whole.
okay, I give you 1 minute, go and wash your face. You seriously need to wash your face and get yourself a drink. Go, quick. Come back in 1 minute. I want you to wash your face. Please. Ask you to wash your face, right? Yeah. Slowly. A bit of water. Yeah, good. Use your hand. Splash. Are you washing your face? Good. One more. When you're done, come back. Are you done? Good. Then, if it's wet, dry your feet. Okay, come back. Quick. Come, quick. 回来. Okay, 12. 来. So what question is this? Percentage, yeah. So what we talked about percentage last time. So everybody start with what? Everybody start with 30%.
100%.
Yeah. So at the start it's always 100%. 来, write down, yeah. So everybody start with 100% at the start. So that means this Nila gave 30% of salary. So her salary start from 100%, right?
Yeah.
30% for what? So gave 30% to her mother. So 30% is, yeah, good. Gave, yeah, good. Stop. So 30% gave. What is left? How much is left? Huh? Still use calculator. You still want to touch your eyes? You want to wash your eyes? Okay, good. So 100%, 30% gave. How much is left? Okay, tell me the operation first.
Minus
What minus what?
100%.
Yeah.
Minus 30%.
Yeah, so 100 minus 30 is? 100减30. $100 minus $30. Huh?
70.
Good. So 100% minus 30% left. Write down. I'll write properly, otherwise I see as 76. So 70% what? Then it says what? Had $560 left. So that means 70% is?
560.
So 70% is 560. You remember what kind of question is this? 70% is 560. What example we talk about just now?
The mass.
Yeah. So what you need to find actually here? If 70% is 560, right? You need to find?
One.
Yeah. So that means you need to find 1%, right? Is how much? So you always have a problem whether 70 divided by this or this divided by that. So what example you give?
Mass.
Right? Right now? You forget the mass already. It's just not the example, it's not 70 mass. Just not what example?
10 mass.
Like, yeah, you should use that one. How come you slow down already? Quick. 10 mass. How much? No leh, not 20 cents leh. Just now it's not 20 cents leh. Just now is what?
20 cents.
20 cents is at the start and you cannot figure out. Then I change 20 cents to what?
$20.
Yes. You see, you remember also remember wrongly. So one mass is? Which one?
20
Mm.
divided by 10.
So similarly, 1% is
160
yeah.
divided by
Mm.
70.
So 1% is. Okay, the pen next time put here because I scared it drop. Once it drop, I think it will be spoiled. So the answer is
800. Unless you put the percentage sign. But then without percentage,
Yeah.
it's 8.
yeah. So 8. So 1% is. So 1% is what?
8.
Write down. So 1% is 8. Okay, so now it says how much money did she give her mother? Should she give how much?
30%.
So 1% is 8. 30% is
30
mm.
times 8.
yeah, which is write down the operation first.
30 times 8.
3 times 8.
is 20.
Yeah, so the answer is good. Next. Yeah. So an empty tank had a capacity of 3 liter. So draw a tank. You draw tank also draw so slow ah? Anyhow lah. No lah, the tank. You draw too nice already this tank. Okay, by the way, it says rate, right? So what is the formula for rate? Rate is equal to accomplishment, which means work done lah, right? How much work is done lah? Work done divided by the time, right? Okay, good. So it says you have a 3 liter tank. Actually, you can choose this. They immediately give you a good tank, I think. Can you spot a tank? Oh yes, yes, yes. I see. Very fast. Only if you know how to. So this is a 3 liter tank, right? Then it says it took 42 seconds to fill it completely. 42 seconds. So that means, so you have the rate. Do you know the rate or not? Do you know the rate? In this question, do you have the rate? Go ahead. Do you have the time?
42 seconds.
So the time means I replace I replace it. So do you have the work done? Then 42 seconds to fill it up, right?
Yeah.
So it means the work done is after 42 seconds, what is the work done?
Fill it up.
Huh?
Fill it up.
So fill up with water. So what is the work done? Fill how much? 42 you can fill how much? You read the first sentence
3 liter.
So after 42 seconds you will fill 3 liter, right? That's the work done, right?
Yeah.
So with rate is equal to work divided by time. So the time is
42 seconds.
the work done is.
3 liter.
So what is the rate now? Calculator, help me out. You give me in fraction, or you can even give me a decimal. Three divided by 42, right?
One over 14.
So this is the rate. So the rate is 1 over 14 liter per second. So now it says how long would the same tap? Okay, good. So now they say how long, right? How long means what? How long means this time around? The second statement, that means here onwards. How long? How long means they want to find what? How long they want to find? How long means what?
the time.
So that means they want to find the time. Right? So how long would the same tap take to fill another empty tank with capacity? So that means how long will the tap fill 7 liter? So 7 liter is the work. So what's the rate? So to fill 7, how much time? So what's the rate? What's the rate? Where's the rate? Point to me. Where's the rate on this slide? Point. Where's the value of the rate? In the question here, where is it? Use your finger to chase. Right? Chase like this. Where's the rate? The entire slide. Where's the rate? Which one is the value of the rate? You know what's the meaning of value of rate, right?
The rate.
Yeah, what's the rate in this case? Is there a place which written down the rate of the... Look closely, come on! It's right in front of you. The value of rate. I ask you to point what? What is this for? What is this for? What's this for? What's the rate? What's the value of the rate? Is there a value of the rate here?
No.
Is there a value of the rate here?
No.
Look, rate is equal to, read it loud and clear.
3/42.
Did I write 3/42? When I ask you for rate, you give me the final answer, you give me what? Speak.
1/14.
So you give me this or you give me this?
1/14.
So what's the rate now?
1/14.
What's the rate?
1/14.
What's the rate? What's the rate?
1/14.
So where is the rate now? How come just now you say no? What is the value of the rate now?
1/14.
So you should put it into...
Yeah.
Very good. Just now I asked you, you said no, don't have. What is this for? What is this for? Clearly it says what? Read this out loud.
Rate equals to 3.
You give me this or you give me this? You give me which one?
1/14.
Why you give me 1/14? Because?
That's the rate.
Why you give me 1/14? Why you never give me on top?
Because the one's the final answer.
Correct. So how do you find question mark in this case? You don't need to give yourself a simple example. Do you need to give yourself a simple example? Good. 2 times 6 equal to 3, yes! Who teach you 2 times 6 equal to 3? Can you do it faster? So similarly, question mark is equal to...
3.
Yeah, so here question mark is equal to...
The time.
Which one divided by which one? Here is 6 divided by 2. So now is
7.
divided by...
1/14.
Correct. So the answer is? What's the answer?
88.
Good. Okay, take the answer. Good. Next. So it says what? Contains 50-cent coin and then what? 20-cent coin. So box A. So only 50-cent coin, right? Box B. How many cent? 20 cent, right?
Yeah.
So it says there are 20 more 25 more coins in box B than box A. So that means what? That means if which one is more? Box B more or B is more? So B is bigger than A, right?
Yeah.
By how much? By 25. So that means if the number of coins in B, if the number of coins in B is B, then the number of coin in A is B minus 25. Am I right? Am I right? Because B must be bigger than A, right? Right? So I just give you an example lah. I have $8. I have $8. Okay? Listen here. Okay? Not there, nothing. I have $8. I have $2 more than you. So your amount is how much? I have $8. I have $2 more than you. Your amount is A2. I have $8. You have $2 less than me. Or I have $2 more than you. So you are, what's your dollars? This is my block. Okay? I have $2 more than you. So that means you is $2, right? Right? So this is me. If I have $2 more than you, right? That means you are this branch, right? Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Am I right or not? So what if I have this block and then you have $2 more than me? What does that mean? You have $2 more than me. That means not only you have this much, you also have $2 more than me. So this is you, right? In this case. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So similarly, now this is the number of coins. Okay? I have 25 more than you. I have 25 more than you. Can you draw? I have 25 more than you. So what is you? Stop. So what is you? I have 25 more than you. What's you? How do you draw? Where do you write your 25? Very good. So that means this block, this block is you, right? Am I right or not?
Yeah.
So that means this green block, the green block is equal to, let's say this is called the yellow block. So the green block is equal to what? What's the operation? Is equal to the yellow block, what? Is equal to yellow block, what?
25 cents.
Plus 25 or minus 25 to get the green?
Minus.
Yeah, so because this is the big one, you minus the 25, then you get the
Small.
green one, right?
Green.
So that means the green block is equal to yellow block minus the 25. Right? Am I right? This is the example you give yourself next time. Make sense? So right now, now I have A. I have A. Okay? You have 25 less than me. So you are. So now this is my A. Stop scratching here and there. Come on. Okay. So I have yellow block. So now instead of yellow, I have A. Okay. I have A. So how do you find this? So U is. How do you find this? I have 25 more than you. I have A. So U is equal to A plus 25 or A minus 25? A minus 25. If I have B, U is? Huh? No, nothing to do here. Here, now I say I have B. You have? 25 plus? Which one minus which one?
B minus 35.
Very good. Can you start to see whatever I have? I have the yellow one, yellow minus 25. Okay. I have the A. I have the A. What happened? I have A. What happened?
A minus 25.
Very good. I have B.
B minus 25.
If I have C.
C minus 25.
Very good. So similarly, if the coin in B is B, that's why the coin in A is.
A minus 25.
Okay. If you start with X.
X minus 25.
Exactly. That's the reason why. So now it says then the total amount of money in two boxes is $19. $19, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that means 50 cents. What is the number of? Okay, this question we need to use this. Okay, this question I will teach you next lesson, because this question require a bit of work. Okay, this is the average. Very simple, right? So what's the formula for average?
Total divided by number of items.
So what's the average in this case? Collected and average. So the average is?
34.
Very good. How many people?
3.
So 3. So how do you find total? Total is equal to? Simple example, 2 is equal to 6 divided by 3, right? So that means you need to find 6.
6.
So 6 is equal to 2 times 3. So similarly, T is equal to?
35 times 3.
Stop, 102. Okay? So total is 102. So now it says Adeline and Ben collected an average of 27 stickers. Okay? So that means Adeline and Ben collect an average of 27. So that means they total collect how much? 27 times 2, which is 54. Ben and Charlie collected an average of 39. So that means both of them collected how much? 39 times 2, which is 78. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now, how many stickers did Ben collect? So can you see here is, so it says collected an average of 34. So 34 times 3 is 3 times 4, then it's 102. So can you see A plus B is 54. So I draw first. This is A. Then this is B. So A plus B is 54. B plus C is 78. So that means A plus B plus B plus C. Can you see A plus B is equal to? A plus B is equal to what? What's the value of A plus B? Search. Finger. Point. What's the value? A plus B.
34.
Very good. What's the value? B plus C.
78.
Very good. So now, can I ask you what is the value of A plus B plus C? What's the value of A plus B plus C?
56.
No. Adeline, Ben, and Charlie. Add to
together.
give you. The three of them add together give you what?
The
Total is point. What's the total? What's the value of total? Use your finger and point. Very good. So can you see A plus B plus B plus C is equal to how much? What's the value? These two add up.
132.
132. So now I erase this first. Okay, this is A. Okay, good. So let's say this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. Okay? Okay? So now A plus B plus C. How much? A plus B plus C is how much? Point. Tell me.
102.
Very good. So that means this thing is 102. Right? Okay, good. Now, once again. Here's what?
A plus B plus B plus C.
Repeat.
A plus B
Stop. A plus
B
continue.
B
Wait, continue.
A plus B
A plus B and then continue.
plus
Plus what?
B.
B. So I choose the black one, right?
Yeah.
And then
Plus C.
plus C. So I choose the
C. Orange one.
is how much? How much? What's the total? A plus B plus B plus C. What's the
132.
132? Very good. Okay. So now, can you see? Can you see? I rearrange. Did I change anything? I just rearrange, right? So the value I never change, right? So can you see that? How much is this? How much is this? Blue, black, orange give you how much?
102.
Very good. So what's the black then? How do you find the black? What's the operation to find the black?
132 minus 102.
Very good, which is 30. So that means my B, the black one is
30.
very good. So if my black is 30, my black is 30. So A plus B is A plus black is 54. Black is 30. So what is A? What's the operation? A is equal to, what's the operation?
A plus 30.
A plus 30 is 54. So how do you find A?
54 minus 30.
Which is 24. Right? So 24 plus 30 plus question mark is, what's this?
102.
Yeah, so how do you find question mark? Question mark is, what's the operation?
102
Mm-hmm.
minus
Hmm?
24
Yeah, you give me the operation, no need to use
minus 30.
Very good. So, $48, which is your orange. So what they ask, how many stickers did Ben collect? So they want Ben, right?
Yeah,
Ben is how much?
30.
Very good. So this question make use of this. Once you put in, you rearrange. Okay? I will talk about this question more next time. Okay? It means our next lesson, right? We should start with this question. The coins. Then after that, I will further elaborate on this before we move on to the next paper. Get it? Okay, good. So yeah, today pretty good. Good. Yeah, now you can rest.